Open a Visual Studio Code in your computer. Now workspace is open. Open a folder in VS Code, simply click on File section and open a folder. And create a new folder. Simply right click and go on New Section folder and rename it My First Project. And open it out VS Code. Now your folder is open. Then create a new file in this folder. Click on this icon and name it index.html and press enter. In HTML section we write HTML code. Press Shift 1 and press enter. Then you see the major part of code is right automatically. In body section write a code. And save the file, so click on File section and there is option Save, or you press Ctrl S. Create another file for CSS and rename it style.css and press enter. Here we write CSS code. Create another file for JavaScript and rename it script.js and press enter. Here we write a JavaScript code. Our project is almost done. Only one thing is left. Link these two files with HTML file for link CSS file in HTML. Simply open HTML file and add one line in head section. For JavaScript, add this line below the body tag and save all the file. There we complete the project. For see the result on browser, there is two methods. First one, simply open folder in your computer, double click on index file. Now your project is open in browser. This pop-up message is because of JavaScript. Give alert message, click OK. And second method is using extension. So open a VS Code and see in the left side there is many options. In last extension option is there. Click on it and there is option search. Search the live server in search bar and click on first extension and install it and set up. I am already set up this extension. One time you install it, then simply open HTML file and right click on it and there is an option open with live server. Click on it. Then you see your project is now open on browser. Thank you for watching.